everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Jewelry Canada. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to make a 2-bead section with my looper pliers. So we're going to take a scrap piece of wire. You're going to put it, see how it's just going past there? And then you're going to cut it over to make sure you catch the shards. Now you see how it's going straight up from there? We're going to move it slightly to the middle. Okay, then we're going to put 2 beads. 1, 2 beads. Then we are going to take our looper pliers and we're going to put it through the hole on the side here. Can you see that? See the hole? Okay. Then what we're going to do is, you see how my opening is at the top? I want my opening at the bottom. So I'm going to turn it around. Then I'm going to line the beads up with this little knob here. Okay. And then I'm going to hold that wire so it doesn't go anywhere, and then I'm just going to back it on itself, and there you go. You just made a 2-bead section. So it's that easy with this tool. I'm not sponsored or anything for this tool, but I do just love it. So yeah, I hope that helped you figure out how to use those. Have a great day. Check that description, lots of goodies in the description. Bye now.